Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds Cellularline FLICK. In this video I'm going to use this type of brush. If you haven't cleaned tools, you can also use a toothbrush. Then I'm going to use ear stick and isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now, at the bottom of each earbud, we have right here these white lines. This one is charging contact, so I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts. First on my left earbud, and then I will clean it with a brush. Now let's move to the right one. Now I will apply the isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts in the charging case. So right here and right here we have it. And for this I'm going to use my ear stick. Now let's move to the right side. Now let's clean the grill, so we need to remove these ear tips and slightly clean it with a brush. And the right one. And that's it. Now we can apply ear tips back. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.